Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or good morning, or whatever time that you're listening to this. This is John here from the Armstrong Air and Heating team, and I want to introduce you to our new reviews portal. And this is where we would like you to come and give us a review if you've been really happy with our service. And it's very simple. We've made it so easy for you. It is really child's play, and you'll see this reviews Armstrong. You're going to get this link. You'll either receive this in an email or you're going to receive it from one of our technicians. And basically, is if you're exceptionally happy with our service, you really want to kind of support us in what we do, then we would really be grateful if you would give us an outstanding review. And we have made it easy for you, because this, rather than all these apps that you have to log on in the phone and download and do this and be text and get bothered, we've just made it easy for you, because we know that a lot of people don't want to be bothered and having up-to-date text messages and messages continually and these reviews app that are pushing to you. We actually have our own reviews portal, and this is connected to our company, and it's not run by any other third party. So you can basically just come here, we'll give you the link, and this will propagate on social media and on our website. And so if you're really happy with the service, all you need to do, you can come here and you can upload your picture if you want to, you can put down the review, and then you're going to send it and post it, and it will go straight on to our website. However, there's one step that we want you to take into consideration, we want you to do. And you'll see here that you can log it in to your account on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Google. And what it will do is it will propagate, it will pull that information from your account. It will pull your avatar or your picture or your logo of your company, and it will put all that on there. And then you will be able to write the review for us, give us the 5 stars, and then send it, and it will go to our website. Then you'll be taken to another screen, and I'm going to try and see if I can show you that screen. Okay, you are going to go to the next page, and this is the extra step that I was telling you about. As you can see, we've propagated some information here. We've just made it John test awesome, and it's going to come down to this next page, and this is all you need to do, guys. So you will go here and you will put a review on Facebook, review on Google, review on Yelp, and send it, and that will be it, done and dusted. Nothing else you need to do. Very simple. And then, of course, if you want to join our new group, we've actually got a new HVAC group where you can interact and get tips and things from our organisation and from our staff, and become part of the Armstrong family, really, in all honesty. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to our app on our own page, okay? Put your details in. Log in to the social media account that you want to pull your information from, and go to the next page, share it on Facebook, Google, or Yelp, and that's it. You're done and dusted, and we will be very grateful, and you will be helping other people who find our reviews and make a decision based on the quality of service that we offer. And also keep up with us, keep informed with the news and things that we have coming up on our Facebook page and on our group, because there will be a lot more things to learn from us in the future, as well as take part in events that we possibly have for the community, and as well as special promotions that we will be giving out. So guys, thank you for listening. This is very simple, and I look forward to serving you with the Armstrong team for a very long time to come. God bless, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful evening, day, or morning, wherever you are in Florida.